ang gusto ko lang sa steak ko, it's salt and pepper lang yung ano niya, marinade niya. Yun lang. Yun lang ang gusto ko. So, maghanap tayo ng masarap na paminta. Yun lang ang gusto kong ano, marinade sa aking steak. Ayoko ng pang ano niligalo. Wala lang, gusto ko lang siyang, ano bang maganda? Sobrang thick naman ito. Pero gusto ko may taba-taba. So, i-marinate ko na siya. Kasing salt lang ilalagay ko. Nasaan na ba kayo? Para makita nyo. Simple lang. Ayan. Himalaya salt lang. Wala kasi kaming rock salt. Masarap ang rock salt din sa steak. Yung sea salt, kung tawagan. Ayan, ganyan lang. Ganyan, masahihin lang. Tapos yan, paglulutuin ko. Alam naman niya kung gusto kong. Ayoko nung may dugo-dugo pa. Ayoko din naman ng dry. Alam ni Kano kung paano. Hayaan mo siya. Tapos pepper lang, yun ang gusto ko. Ganyan lang. Lagyan ng paminta. Ang dama naman itong pamintang to. Ganyan lang. Masama sa yung kuya dito lumamaya na. Kasi, diba? Kasi gusto kong lagyan lemon. Gagawa ko ng sayo. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan. Ayan siya mamarinate. Diba? Ganyan lang, guys. Yes, it's Sunday. So, nandito si Kano. So, tutulungan niya ako magluto ng dinner namin. So, Daddy, I bought egg. Be careful on the egg. Remember, egg has a recall.
You just gotta wash it or something?
Which one?
How does egg have a recall? The substance inside is protected.
I don't know, Daddy.
Is it because of what's on the outside of the shells?
Probably.
Put them in water, a thing of water then. Wash them off.
I don't know.
Or something.
Wala naman dito sa US, lahat may recall. Pati asin. May expiration ng asin. Right, Daddy? The salt had the expiration. That's US. Yes. Kaya ito, organic ang binili ko. You gonna eat steak too?
No, not a little more.
Okay.
Is this, you gotta check to see if the pork chop's good.
Go ahead, check. Yes. I thought you were here earlier. When I wake up, you're not here.
I wasn't here.
And I want a grilled mushroom. Still good, yeah. I marinate this one good. Yeah, see? Actually, that's good because I marinated. That's almost like 3 days, 4 days. They have this one in Costco. Cauliflower pizza.
Did you ever get your flour?
I know. I don't have chance to go get it.
Oh, I ordered some from Amazon.
Oh, well, maybe that's... Is that box?
Oh, no.
Umorder pala siya sa Amazon. Tapos magwawash na ako ng lettuce para... What is this, Daddy? Where did you go? Why they have corn in something? What is this?
That's the barbecue I want to see this with. They cook the whole pig American style.
Oh, like it's good. They're American style, okay.
Actually, they'll love actually.
No offense to American people, to Caucasian. No offense. But I cannot replace my lechon to you guys. Yes, our lechon is way, way, way better. Sinong agree dyan sa akin? Kung hindi kayo agree sa akin, that's fine.
I don't know why you say it's better. All you eat is the skin.
No, their meat is good. Especially my brother's lechon is so good.
You know you got cheese.
Yeah, that's
You
for
the goat cheese, right?
a goat cheese. Wow, let's try. Can you slice?
Yeah.
I'm really hungry. Oh wow, where did you get that?
Costco.
Good thing. See, good thing I didn't grab that. But I like that too because I can bring some at work. That one. Hold on. Excuse me,
Do
hon.
you think that's still good?
Yeah, don't do
Just
anything.
add more eggs to it.
No, that's my... Yung mga leftover, ako yung kumakain. Ocos never eat leftover.
Me?
Yeah.
You leftovers all the time. You get all mad at me when I eat your leftovers.
Hindi yung kumakain leftover, sabi lang niya yan. Char-char lang niya yan. And then I have my steak and my broccoli. That's a good combination. Di ba? Right, Daddy? You still have your chicken here.
Yeah.
You better eat that, huh? Don't waste food.
I'm not cooking anything for me.
Okay. Give me a kiss.
Get your
What is this?
mushrooms prepared.
They cannot see me anymore on the camera. You cover the whole thing.
I didn't know where the camera was.
Natulok. Pag makwento ko sa inyo, pag kumakain kami sa restaurant, di ba? Kasi sasabihin ni Kano, good for 3. Nakikita yung anak ko kasi matangkad si Litalo eh. Sabi niya, 3, are you sure? Hinahanap ako. Nasaan daw yung pangatlo? Kasi nasa likod nila ako. Kasi nga maliit ako. Yup. Yup. So, ayan, yung nakapag-rail na ako. Tapos ito tabi tong ano. Ako naman, pailan yung huli kami nag-steak, nung huli ka akong kumain ng beef, nung kami pa ni Ining, nung kami kumain sa labas. Yun. The rest, ang tagal na. Hindi ako masyado sa beef, pag lang yung nagkikrave na ganyan. Okay lang, gusto ko umaawas ang aking mahiwagang basurahan. Kasi wala na kami masyadong frozen na pagkain. Yung mga meat, sabi ko kasi ubusin. Kaya ngayon lang bumili uli ng beef. Sabi ko kasi wag bibili pagka yung ano. Wag bibili pag mayroon pa. Kasi hindi naman kakalimutan lang. Gusto ko, try ko nga itong cheese na to. Daddy, the thing for this cheese is, try natin yung goat cheese daw to, goat. On ba kayo on? Ay, ito kaya ayoko. Tanong mo, pag nasira yung lalagyan, wala na. Ay. Diba? So, kailangan ko siyang ilagay sa container. Masarap. Dali is good. Laki-laki naman ng container ko. Daddy, can you get the container for the cheese right there on the top? I cannot reach. Yun ang advantage pag matangkad yung asawa mo. Han. Maharap siya, guys. Masarap. So, ilalagay ko siya sa container para hindi sumingaw. Sarap siya. Ako talaga mahilig sa cheese. Yung bata ako, hindi. Maybe because wala akong pambili. Diba? Lagay ko sa container para hindi siya umano. Kasi ganyan sa Costco eh. Sa Costco ganyan ang yung bulky-bulky oh. Diba? Tapos nakasealed siya. Ganyan. So, hindi siya sisingaw. Lagyan natin sa fridge. At nakikita niya kung nasan yung cheese. Na andito pa yung ni Ining. Yung kanyang mahiwagang empanadang iniwanan sa akin. Sabi ko sa kanya, walang kakain. Tinan mo, walang ang kumain. So, magsusutay ako. Buti di ako bumili ng cheese na yun. Binili ni Kano. Tapos ito, oh. Diba? Snack ko to. Masarap to. So, pag sa steak, gusto ko susutay ako ng... What happened? I don't know. Magsusutay ako ng onion, garlic, taka mushroom. Yan, para masa... Yep. Gusto ko yung ganong style ng steak. Yep, yep. So, lagay lang tayo ng olive oil. Mainit na yung kawali. So, hinaan lang natin. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Tapos, pag mainit na siya, remember yung bawang na nag-grind na ining. Saan ba nakalagay yun? Nasaan na yun? Nasaan na siya? Ayun, nakita ko na. Ito siya. So, anytime you need bawang, hindi ka na yung nagmamadali para magpitpit, di ba? Tapos, kasi nga ready na, anytime na gusto mo siyang gamitin, like madami, pwede. Hindi ka magaan. Kasi nga ready na siya. Okay. Brown lang natin yung bawang. After nun, lagyan natin ng sibuyas. Sibuyas. Pwede ko na siyang pagsabayin. Kasi ayoko masyadong luto ang sibuyas. Yeah. Mostly, nilalagyan ko ng oyster sauce to. Kaya lang, this time, hindi ko lalagyan kasi medyo matamis ang oyster sauce. So, lagyan ko lang siya ng siguro konti lang. Okay lang naman siguro pag konti lang. So, sutay-sutay ko lang siya dyan. Ganyan lang. Hayaan mo lang siyang maluto. Ma-caramelize ang sibuyas at ang bawang. So, guys, lagyan ko siya ng kaunting red wine. Yung cooking red wine naman to. Yung mushroom. Yep. At saka, ano ba to? Sauce. Ito. Try natin to. Steak, ano naman to eh. Baka hindi siya masarap. Wag na. Lagyan lang natin ng kaunting. Oy. Ano ba yan? Hinawakan ko. Hugasan ko na ngayon. Kaunti lang na paminta. Ayan. Bumango. Nilagyan ko ng mushroom. Nilagyan ko siya ng walang pangpalasa. Wala mo lang kahit konting Ito lang nga lang lagay natin. Konti lang. Ayan. Konti lang. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. Sutay-sutayin lang. Diba? Ang tapos na. Yan yung aking side sa aking steak. Tsaka yung broccoli and salad. So guys, I forgot my pork. Little ako nyo grab me pork. Natamad na akong tumayo. Now, can you get me pork?
What?
Pork.
What about it?
Can you grab me some? One. Come on.
Did you what?
Utensil. Can you grab me pork?
Did you pork?
Mm-hmm.
What pork?
The utensil. Nalilito siya. Gusto ko sasali walang dressing pag mistake. Uy!
Charlie. Nothing. Why?
Eh. Kain kayo, steak ang ulam ko. Tsaka gulay. Tsaka meron akong...
Hello. Get your salad ready.
Parang yata ang
You have a fork.
Yeah, I got it already. Thank you. Mike.
Has it been enough time? Has it been enough yet?
You can get your salad ready while you're waiting.
Oh, good, Daddy. Gusto ko yung...
But you know what? You're about this close to not eating. Right?
I do. It's already ready.
Bato yung anak niya. Ayaw mo siya.
Fine, eat it. I don't care.
What?
Go.
What are you talking about?
Sarap ng mushroom. Kaya na pala may bawang ko. Sarap. Namis ko yung cucumber. Akala ko hindi masarap yung mushroom. Perfect yung luto ng steak. Baka magkadumi. Narinig naman ako. Pag sa steak, I rather to eat at home. Mura pa.
How's this? Give me a plate. What?
What am I supposed to eat?
What?
What am I supposed to eat?
Say your words. Good. Clear.
Why am I? Never mind.
Is that the pork, Daddy?
Huh?
That's the pork?
Yes. blue bowl. I'm talking about the middle bowl. Where's the mushrooms?
He doesn't want it. He says salad.
Huh?
She said he wants salad. Hindi ko lang kung mauubos ko yung steak ko. Busog na ako. Sarap. Ang sarap yung ano. Hindi ko na kung matutulog ako. Iidip siguro ako mamaya. Tapos may mga edge-edge. May mga tutong-tutong. Yung charcoal. Gusto ko yun. May konting taba-taba. At least sige yung kinakain mo. Hindi ka pwedeng salita ng salita. Baka ma-choke. Di ba? Kaya kailangan seryoso. Ay, naku, dito. Kain na naman. Laki pa. Hindi ko na kayang ubusin. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you.